So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here these 7 repeated questions to answer on the topic Constitutional Development in Nigeria. So guys, this video will be about Oliver Lytton Constitution. So let's go ahead and start with this first question here. It says, the unification decree number 34 was promulgated by A. Yakubu Gowon, B. Olusegun Obasanjo, C. Murtala Mohammed, D. Aguiyi Ironsi. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, that's Aguiyi Ironsi. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So question number 2 here says, a major shortcoming of the Lytton Constitution was that A. it did not provide for a second chamber at the federal level. B. no provision was made for the office of the Prime Minister. C. the Governor General continued to head the government. D. it failed to provide for the office of the Premier. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. The Governor General continued to head the government. And that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next question, guys. So here's question number 3. It says, the Irikefe panel recommended an increase in the number of states in Nigeria to A. 19, B. 12, C. 36, D. 21. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, that's 19. And that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next one, guys. So we have question number 4 here. It says, laws made by the Attorney General and Minister of Justice are called A. ex post facto laws, B. temporary laws, C. case laws, D. bills of attainder. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, that's case laws. So let's head on to the next question, guys. Question number 5 here says, the 6 African members of the Nigerian Council were nominated by the A. Governor, B. Cohen, C. District Officer, D. Natives. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, that's the Governor. Let's head on to the next question, guys. Here is question number 6. It says, the Land Use Decree of 1978 vested the ownership of land in Nigeria in the A. state governments, B. local chiefs, C. federal government, D. local governments. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, that's the federal government. So let's consider the next and last question for this video. So here is question number 7 of 7. It says, 12 states creation is a renowned achievement of the Dash regime. We have A. Murtala Mohammed's regime, B. Ibrahim Babangida's regime, C. Yakubu Gowon's regime, D. Abdusalam Abubakar's regime. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, that's Yakubu Gowon's regime. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, I want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.